These are going to be the elevators at the Westin in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Let's go to 20.
Please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. 26th floor. Invalid floor. Please enter destination floor. 26e étage. Proceed to car A. Left. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur A. Derrière. À gauche.
These are the elevators at the Westin Byward Market in Ottawa.
Why would you sit around? I play stupid jokes.
These stay open for a long period of time. Here we go. Hi. It's taking a ride on the elevators.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool. The Otis Compass system where you type your floor in on the outside.
That's better, huh?
Yeah. Have a great day, sir. Watch our destination indicator go out. Alright, let's get our... Let's get the cab view. There's construction going on up here. Got a TV screen here. These were your temporary controls when they modded them. Oh, here we go. And you got your controls behind the cabinet.
You've been looking at that space and depending on, thank you. You know, like we always do this on the Monday evening, but not everybody's there on the Monday. If I was doing something like this and spending the big bucks,
Maybe you want to push it.
maybe I want to push it for the Tuesday, and then we could do a boat on Monday, but it could be a sign up and for people who want to do a little boat cruise, like
And then
a
have
self-pay.
then have the official
And then
reception
have
on
the official
Tuesday
reception
when
on
there are more
Tuesday,
people there.
when there's more people. I could do something like that. Yeah, or even as the Wednesday dinner. Could have it as the Wednesday dinner. It depends, like, how many people can you fit in there?
Well, how many people did the dinner thing last year?
It's more of a reception thing.
You know how many people went to the dinner?
These used to be Dover Turnbull elevators from 1982, but they were modernized in 2012 with Otis Compass. There's your original door track there. All right.
Please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. 23rd floor. Proceed to car. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur A, à gauche.
See? We're going up to 23.
So what we do is you're gonna punch your floor over here, 17, and it'll build you an elevator seat.
Here we go. Going up.
Salut, Tim. Oui, il faut aller regarder. Ah non, je suis dans l'ascenseur, là, ça se peut que je te perde après le... On va descendre.
Oh, going up.
Attendez. Oh, attendez. OK.
I'm touching this. Ella.
She bang. Oh, baby, you got to move. 14?
No, I'm not on here.
No dice?
Going up to the top.
All right. Oh, yeah, we're going to the top too.
No, we're not. Your face. Yeah, we're going to the top too.
We're going to gauge. We'll gauge.
Have a great day, guys.
You're just
Wee! These are fast. Let's look at your map. Hi.
Hi.
And here are the service elevators, which appear to have been modded as well. Let's go back down the compasses. Sir 24? Oh.
Please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. 25th floor. Invalid floor. Please enter destination floor.
No.
5e étage. Proceed to car. C2. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur. C. À gauche, please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. 24th floor. Proceed to car. D2. Deep right. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur. C. À droite.
We're getting this one. I'll watch that one and continue digging. Ah, here we go. We got you. Going up. Let's watch your indicator go out.
24th floor. Please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. Lobby. Proceed to car. A2. Deep left. Rear. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur. A. Derrière. À gauche. Please enter destination floor. Veuillez entrer votre destination. Lobby. Proceed to car. A2. Deep right. Veuillez vous diriger vers l'ascenseur. A. À droite.
I love the voice. LOL. Going down. These are very nice. Going down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did she make them for you? Did you buy them?
Started construction through the winter. Yeah, started around October.
Anyways, we'll watch it shut. There it goes. And there's one of them digging. There they go, and that will be it.